You charged me twice. Hi, I have a problem with my bill.
Okay, what happened?
I paid for my order, but I see two charges on my card.
2 charges? Let me check.
Yes, both are for $45.
Can I see your receipt?
Sure, here it is.
What is your order number?
It's 3021.
One moment, please.
Okay, take your time.
I see one order here for $45.
But my bank shows two charges.
When did you make the payment?
Yesterday, around 3 p.m.
Did you try to pay more than once?
Yes, actually. The first time, it said error.
Ah, that explains it.
So what happened?
Sometimes the system charges you even if it shows an error.
That's not good.
I understand. I'm sorry for the trouble.
Can I get my money back?
Yes, we can refund the extra charge.
How long does that take?
Usually 3 to 5 business days.
That's a long time.
I know, but it depends on your bank.
Is there a faster way?
We can also give you store credit today.
What is store credit?
You can use it to buy things here instead of cash.
I prefer cash back.
Okay, then the refund will take a few days.
Can you at least confirm the refund now?
Yes, I can start the refund process right now.
Thank you.
Can I have your name, please?
Mali.
And your phone number?
555-2938.
Great, thank you, Molly.
Will I get an email confirmation?
Yes, you will get one in a few minutes.
Good, I want to keep it for my records.
That's smart.
Does this happen a lot?
Not often, but sometimes the payment system is slow.
Maybe you should fix the system.
You're right. I will report this issue.
Thank you, Jack.
No problem, Molly.
Can I ask another question?
Of course.
What if I don't get the refund in 5 days?
Then please contact us again with your reference number.
What is my reference number?
It's R4521.
Okay, I will write it down.
Good idea.
Is there a way to check the refund status online?
Yes, you can check it on our website.
How do I do that?
Go to My Orders and click Refund Status.
Do I need to log in?
Yes, with your email and password.
Okay, I remember my password.
Perfect.
One more thing.
Yes?
The price was $45, but I saw $47 on my card.
That might include a small service fee.
Is the fee refundable?
Let me check that for you.
Thank you.
Yes, the fee is also refundable.
Great, that's a relief.
So the total refund will be $47.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I also change my order?
What do you want to change?
I want a different size.
What size do you have now?
Medium.
What size do you want?
Large.
Okay, I can update that.
Is there an extra cost?
No, the price is the same.
That's good.
Anything else you want to change?
Can I also change the color?
Sure. What color do you want?
Blue instead of black.
Let me check if blue is available.
Okay.
Yes, blue is available in large.
Perfect. Please change it.
Done. Your order is now large blue.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Anything else?
Yes. When will it arrive?
It usually takes 3 to 4 days.
Can it be faster?
We have express shipping for $5 more.
How fast is that?
1 to 2 days.
That's better. I'll pay for express shipping.
Okay, I'll add that now.
Thank you.
Your new total is $52.
Wait, I thought the refund covers that?
The refund is separate from this new charge.
Oh, I understand now.
So you will get $47 back and pay $5 for shipping.
Okay, that makes sense.
Do you want to continue?
Yes, please continue.
Great, I'm processing it now.
Thank you for your help today.
It's my pleasure.
You explained everything very clearly.
Thank you. I try my best.
Can you send me a summary of everything?
Yes, I will email it to you.
Please include the reference number too.
Of course. I'll add that.
Thank you.
Is there anything else you need?
No, I think that's all.
Great. Have a nice day, Molly.
Thank you, Jack. You too.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.